Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Minecraft in your computer device in a very simple way. How you can do that into Windows, it's very simple. You have to open and search here Microsoft Store. And here is Microsoft Store. If you click on that, then the Microsoft Store will be open. And here into the search option, simply search for Minecraft. And here it is, Minecraft launcher. So if you click on that, then we're going to get the option called Get. So if you click on the Get option, click on the download, click yes for the permission, and you can simply see that it's installing in our computer. And after that, you have to look for where you want to download it. So I want to download it into this disk and simply click on install. And now you can simply see the installing process is begin. And you can see the installation is completed. Now if you click on the play option, it will going to open into sign in. So I'm going to select my Xbox or a Microsoft account. I click on let's go, and you can see it's updating Minecraft launcher. So just minimize the Microsoft Store, and you can simply see the Minecraft launcher is slightly showing in your computer device. And now here, if you click on the sign in with Microsoft, so if you click on that, and then simply select your Microsoft account and simply click on let's go, and you can see it's loading. And here is the Minecraft over here, you can see. So from here, you have to open the Minecraft in your computer device. It's a very simple way to do that. But before that, I can show you that if you want to buy it for playing Minecraft, you have to buy this game. And you can simply see that I get the option called buy now. So if you click on the buy now option, you can simply select your payment method. And if you click on that, then simply click on the checkout option. And then it is going to show you the process, where you from download it. And now it's showing that you can simply go for it to credit and debit card. So basically the process is, this is the way to download and install Minecraft. And you can also play it for the demo. If you click on the play demo, it's going to downloading the 515 MB, and it will going to give you the chance to play demo. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Minecraft in your computer device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.